First of all, I wanted to tell you both how absolutely spectacular you guys look today. Aki, I knew that you would be the prettiest bride I have ever seen, and I think you all will agree with me on that too.
Aki always played the daughter role perfectly. Compared to her, I'm a tad bit grumpy, and all my younger two sisters and I are doing is following her. She is such a caring sister and an amazing friend. As much as I try to resist it, I always find myself following her.
So I would say to Punsara, Piyumantha is that trustworthy guy. So I'm pretty sure that she has seen the same traits in him as well. Wish you all the very best in your future. To all the best things happen so far and all the best things yet to happen. Cheers.
Running late on a Wednesday.
So Aki, you found someone who's worthy of your love. And Ayya, you are lucky to have someone like Aki too. Welcome to the family, Ayya. And finally, here's to love, laughter, and a happily ever after. Congratulations, Aki and Ayya, and we all love you.
Maybe that you feel it too. Tell me, are you busy? Tell me you can stay. 'Cause I'm thinking maybe for you.
And Ayya, I take this a moment to thank you for letting me crash into your movie dates and for always checking up on me.
Piyumantha, I don't really know about your other choices in life, but when it comes to this choice, I'm definitely sure you don't have any regrets about it. Also, I'm extremely grateful for the friendship that we have shared with each other right throughout the years. Because school is the place that taught me about the value of friendship and unconditional love.
Now, your warmth has never left me. Two hearts on a cold street. And now it's not crazy. I told you.
In all seriousness, Punzi, we'd like to welcome you to our family. And I'm sure Loku's gonna make the best partner that you would have ever asked for. We could also like to welcome your family, auntie, uncle, and all the new sisters. You guys have been nothing but welcoming us.
Just to keep you safe for you, anything for you. With you, the years just fade away like a dream in my arms, but I'm wide awake. With you, whenever I'm with you. Two hearts on a cold street. Two hearts on a cold street. Two hearts on a cold street. Two hearts, just you and me. Now it's just you and me. For you I'll travel to outer space. With you all the years just fade away. For you I would travel to outer space. Take a bullet to the heart just to keep you safe. For you, anything for you. With you all the years.
So we were just casually hanging out, and all of a sudden, Punzi told, Piyuma, I think your brother is the sweetest person that I've met. And I was like, yeah, he could be sometimes. And somehow, I told this to Loku, just casually, that Punzi thinks you're a nice person. And guess what? My brother, who doesn't even get up in the morning and doesn't even drink tea in the morning, was up and was having a nice cup of tea and a nice conversation with Punzi and was like, Nangi, Kurunagalata yanda tiyena langam paara mokadda? And ladies and gentlemen, that's how it all started and how Punzi went from being my best friend to my elder sister within these 5 years.
Every breath holds a moment, everyone a chance to take.
the kind of person who would set aside anything that's going on in his life for the people he loves, and he's this super chilled out person I've seen who's calm at all times. He wouldn't think twice to help in someone, and he wouldn't even get slightly affected even if the world turns upside down, as long as he gets to play a PUBG with minimal distractions and a good night out with Punsi or his friends. And Punsi, on the other hand, is this girl who's very organized and plans ahead, gets her work done right on time, but who gets worried at the slightest things. And that's why you guys make an amazing couple, simply because the opposites attract.